Let me see something. I had them cars. Look at that, boy. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that ought. Y'all think that ought to do it? I should have got some more right. I'm gonna run through them quick. Hey, girl. How you doing?
Do you watch YouTube?
Do I watch YouTube? I'm a YouTuber. You on YouTube?
Why don't you like, share, and subscribe? Zl1.
Yeah, tell all them right here, miss. They listening right now.
Well, my name is Natalie.
Yeah, it's Natalie, y'all.
Hi, I'm Zl1's most favorite fan.
Favorite, y'all.
Go ahead and check them out. We're part of the 32 Squizzy gang.
Yeah.
We're always taking orders for new shirts.
Yeah.
Go ahead and have a new car. You got one to put on these car shows. And we will come and see you. We've traveled from state to state.
Oh,
from Lake County, from Chi-Town.
Okay.
And we down in Texas for only 1 day.
1 day?
1 day.
Is it a small block or big block?
It's a big block.
Okay, okay.
As a matter of fact, there he is right there.
Okay. Let's go see what he's talking about.
Yeah, let's interact.
Miss here.
Thank you. I'll definitely lock you in.
She gonna lock me in, y'all.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the start.
Yeah.
Mr. S.
Yeah, this is the start.
That's the name.
That's the name. Yeah. Okay.
Here he is.
Which one is yours?
That.
Okay, that.
I'm in the background.
Okay, you're in the background. Okay.
I do drawings, I do the creation. I'm the background. This is the
Yeah.
I appreciate it. No, I appreciate y'all, man.
Is that in Lucerne?
What's going on with
Yeah,
you,
man, we just came over here, look at race, came to come see what you talking about you from Chi-Town.
Oh, most definitely.
Yeah.
Man, hold on, Joe. Something blew up in my eye.
Yeah.
Damn. But yeah, no, man, most definitely, man. Like I was just telling my man right here. Man,
Yeah,
I
you
came
just
all
telling
the way up here from Illinois, all the way down here to Dallas. You from out here?
Yeah, I'm from out here.
Oh, man, where the bag at?
Where the bag? I'm still trying to get me one. It's taking me a long time. This is my YouTube channel right here,
man.
man.
Most definitely, hold on.
Yeah, I'm trying to get one.
I got you, bro.
It's been a little difficult for me, but I'm
Subscribe to me, man.
Already, we on there.
Subscribe to me.
Oh, you a 32 gang too?
Oh yeah, that's what. Hey, flip the camera. Hey, flip it so that way they can scan into that joint.
Okay.
They can scan into it. You can pause it, scan, and they gonna be right there. But like I was just telling him, man, hey, y'all need to go ahead and I'll hold it for you while you do your thing. Hey, y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to this man, Joe Muggs. Y'all don't understand, Joe. We be coming out of pocket to get into these places and to move around. Y'all see how high gas prices is, and we doing what we can to bring y'all this footage, man. This stuff coming out of our hard-earned money to bring y'all this footage, man. Get this man to what he needs. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Hey, get this man there, man. Hey, we out here in 110-degree weather bringing y'all some content so y'all can watch it in the comfort of y'all home. Quit playing with this man.
Really appreciate it.
Hey, look, I want to say one more thing about the Yello Belly thing. If they are tripping on you, a lot of people start coming to Yello Belly because of you, so they need to recognize that that's real.
Yeah, but it ain't the guys at Yello Belly. It's the people that host events at Yello Belly.
Okay, but still, man.
Yeah.
That ain't right, though.
He got more power than that. They be trying to sometimes I be feeling like they be overusing their power. I'm
gonna say something off the camera, okay?
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
I'm
gonna see. Huh? Yeah, I go to Yello Belly.
I was just there yesterday.
Yeah, I was there too. Oh no, yesterday I was there Thursday.
Oh yeah, I guess when I got
they
out
just
here
started doing it
on
Friday.
On my soul, that
yeah, was anybody there?
Yes, I got the video up. You go see it.
Bad. He said it was John. He went the first Friday.
Hold on, let me show y'all this. I don't even know if I got no views though, because I made the video while I was out here.
Okay.
Look.
Okay.
2 hours ago. I've been out here since 10.
Okay.
So you feel me?
He just dropped it.
Look out. Nice to meet you.
Already, man. What's your name?
Kelly Mack.
Kelly Mack. We got Kelly Mack in the building, y'all. Where you from, Kelly Mack?
Texas.
Okay. Y'all heard what he said, man.
And I watch all the time.
He be on there all the time, y'all. Hey.
And I want to demonstrate the fucking time. Look.
Let me see.
How we doing? Look out.
Boom.
How you doing? How you doing?
Boom. Goddamn me. Pop them in his goddamn ass.
That shit was crazy.
Pop them in his goddamn ass.
That shit was crazy, man. You gonna race?
No, not up here. It costs too much. I'm gonna go up here to XRP.
What's all over
when
there?
It's just supercharged.
Nah, I know what you got. I watch your video.
Yeah.
What's over the XRP? I'm talking about.
Oh, they got a little pretty Tony event. I got a Cutlass that might want to try me.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a Cutlass that might want to try me.
If I don't show up,
it's cheaper to get in.
I'm gonna watch it on TV.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do my thing. It one of them old 350, 383s. I'm gonna try to knock it off. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Yeah, I think I could do him.
Stay in, dog.
I really appreciate you. Got Kelly Mack, y'all. Kelly Mack. Let's see what he got. Oh, here he go with this extra. Look at him. What he got? What you doing with all these extra gadgets?
Hey, you gotta make sure it's right.
That's how you make sure it's right?
My car reads the temperature, the pressure, and
He's reading the temperature and the pressure. God. Yeah. Oh, that was you had the jungle fever license plate? I was wondering what you had to be, because I was seeing a white car, black hood. I was wondering if he was white or black. I was like, the driver. I was like, what is he?
that's the white girl, that white girl.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go up there and see what they got going.
It's the black one. Yeah,
I just need to go to another event. They had an event. It's already gonna be about 19 media people there. I'm thinking it's best for me to go to another. There should be some out of town. I should have asked him what made him want to be a 32 gang. Like,